It takes the exact same amount of effort to get $100 sale as getting $5,000 sale. So let me actually jump into my computer to show you why what most people preach and teach you is wrong, it's risky, it's complicated, and what to do instead, and why you must raise your prices starting today. Conventional wisdom say that you should start selling some extremely low ticket products first. And if they say yes, you should offer them something more expensive, and you should just keep ascending them through the value ladder to more and more expensive products until you run out of the stuff to sell them, right? And if you don't know what I'm talking about, this is what most gurus teach you to do. They tell you that first you have to offer some free lead magnet. Once they sign up for this free lead magnet, you should offer them product for, let's say, $7. Then if they take that, you offer them $97 upsell. Then $297 upsell. And then maybe you work your way up to some $997 program or something, right? Have you seen this, guys? Well, this is exactly what everyone was telling me to do when I was struggling and trying to find a way what I should do. But there are two big problems with this type of business model. First, it's a lot of work. You have to create a front-end product, you have to create upsell product, you have to create a monthly continuity product, and then also some higher ticket backend product, right? And you also have to create and write sales copy for all of them and provide customer support for all of these different products too. It's a nightmare. There's no way you can do this, do all of this in the next 30 or 90 days. Not to mention the fact that even if you try to do this, you are literally spending months on creating some products that you don't even know if it's going to sell. And second, this model actually filters out the most commitment and serious clients upfront. Because if your ideal client has some serious problem that they need to solve and you offer them some $7 ebook, do you think they are going to take it? No way, right? Because they know that their problem is much bigger than some $7 ebook. And if some of them will take you up on that offer, they will not get that good results because it's not big enough commitment. It's a big difference when someone invests $7 into themselves or $5,000. So if we summarize this, it's just too complicated, and the truth is that this is the old model and it's just a waste of your time and also your client's time. So if this old model that everyone else is using don't work, what should you do instead? Well, the new model that I'm about to show you right now is the most elegant business model that I've ever seen or personally used. And if I were you and I was going to start a brand new business from scratch, this is exactly what I would do. So pay attention right now. You should flip this old model on its head and start with the most expensive high ticket offer first. And I'm talking about selling one offer, just one offer that solves one major problem for one specific niche. It shouldn't be more complicated than that, guys. Actually, Russell Brunson, who is founder of $100 million company called ClickFunnels, has his own inner circle that costs $50,000 per year. And for all of the members of this inner circle, there's one rule. You should focus on selling just one offer until you make $1 million. So why is that? Because it's much easier to double down on one thing than trying to do a million things at once. So just think about it for a second. What would happen if we took this old model and flipped it around so that instead of selling people a bunch of stuff they don't need, we sold them one thing that could solve their problem for good, right? And we did it for premium price, say $3,000 or $10,000 or more. What would happen then? Well, first of all, we would probably start attracting only serious and most commitment clients, wouldn't we? And I mean, no more tie kickers and freebie seekers, no more complainers, no more victims who ask for a refund without doing any work. Because the price is high, we would only get people who were that serious about the results. And most likely, we would also be able to hit our income goals much faster, right? I mean, even if you have big income goal, like $100,000, if you had an offer that's $5,000, you would need to get just 20 people per month. Just 20 people. It's like a new client every other day. And if your income goal is lower than that, let's say $20,000 per month, now you only need 4 clients, 4 people who buy your stuff. There's just 1 sale a week, guys. And I don't know about you, but for me, it sounds a lot easier than trying to sell thousands of copies of some $7 ebook or something. And in fact, you can see on this screenshot, when I did my first $20,000 selling low ticket products, I needed to make 406 orders. 406 customers needed to purchase from me in order to generate $20,000, and the profit, guys, was only around 20%. But when I did my first $20,000 selling high ticket services, I got just 5 clients paying me anywhere between $3,000 to $5,000. And the best part is that it was all profit because I got these clients without spending a dime on ads. So I made my first $20,000 selling high ticket products and services just from 5 sales. So let me know to the chat box, guys, what do you think is easier? Getting 406 sales or just 5 sales? Let me know to the chat box, what do you think? Of course, getting just 5 sales is much easier. And here's another thing to consider. If you can hit your income goals with just 5 or 10 clients a month, couldn't you do an amazing job for those clients? I mean, with just 5 to 10 clients, you would have the power to provide a true VIP experience for them, and they would get much better results, right? So see, it's not just a great business model for you, but it's also great for your clients. It's a win-win situation, and that's why it works so well. See, this is not something I myself invented. This is exactly what Elon Musk used to build Tesla. You can see here his master plan that he shared in 2016, where he shared that his first step is to build a low volume car that would be necessary expensive, right? He would start with the premium product, which will be the most expensive car, and then use that money that he generates from this car to build medium volume car that will be at lower price, right? So he will go to bigger market with lower priced car, and then again use this money to build high volume car, affordable car that everyone can buy. So you can see Elon Musk used the exact same thing. He flipped this value ladder that so many gurus are teaching you to do first, to start with the low ticket products first and then build your way up to high ticket products. But again, it's really difficult, it's complicated, it's risky, and especially with paid advertising, it's really difficult to make some profit. So flip the value ladder, do the same thing that Elon Musk used for Tesla, that worked out really well for him, and start with high premium product or service first, and then go to bigger market with affordable products and services once you generate cash flow from this high ticket product. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what was your biggest takeaway to the comments below right now. If you enjoyed this video, like this, share it with your friends so they can get value from it as well. And as always, guys, there is another video here, so click there if you want to learn more about how to profitably market and sell your products or services online. See you in the next video. Bye bye.